Hey, what's up guys? It's Nick, back again with a quick iOS update tip that could totally save your day. And today we're talking about the iOS 18.5 RC beta.
So, we looked at the developer beta on my first video. That's the early, sometimes buggy version meant for Apple developers.
But now, the release candidate version is here for public beta testers, and it's way more stable. It's basically the final version before the official release, which means it's great for regular users who want to try iOS 18.5 early without all the risk. With this version, you'll get a screen time alert when your child enters the passcode, plus a brand new wallpaper, fresh hello screen, and satellite connectivity support for the iPhone 13 series. So yeah, it's polished and stable, and if future versions like iOS 19 have an RC build, I'd definitely recommend jumping on it. Now, if you're not in the developer beta program, just head to developer.apple.com and you'll see what's new in the current iOS beta. Then find iOS 18 or maybe iOS 19 in the future, then hit download in the upper right corner. You might need to sign in with your Apple ID. Once you're in, your phone will get access to the beta profile. If you're updating on your iPhone, you can install it directly in settings once you're enrolled. But we need to make sure our iPhone has at least 10 gigabytes of free space and is plugged in during the update. And yep, always back up your data first, just in case. Now normally if you're on a computer, tools like iTunes or Finder only give you the regular public updates. But if you want to install iOS 18.5 release candidate or beta from your PC or Mac, you can use a tool like ReiBoot. It lets you download and install beta firmware directly without a developer account. Super handy when the beta update is huge or slow to load. So whether you're going the direct iPhone route or updating through your computer, you can get iOS 18.5 RC today. No waiting around. If this helped, drop a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.